In this example, we are given this contour in the S-plane. The idea is to pass this contour through this specific function L of S and obtain the equivalent contour in the W-plane. This will be very useful in the upcoming lecture where we are going to draw the Nyquist plots ourselves. To do that, you can pick points in this contour, insert those points in L of S, obtain the corresponding vector, and plot the point, the equivalent point in the W-plane, and do that for a variety of points. Because a Nyquist plot is always symmetric with respect to the real axis, we can simply take the top of this contour, find the corresponding contour here, and then mirror that with respect to the real axis. Let's start with this point here. Let's call that point A. A is a point where S equals to 1. If you now evaluate L of 1, that is going to be 1/3. Simply replace S with 1. Now let's go to point B up here. At point B, we have S equals to 1 plus 1j. And now evaluate L of S at that specific point. When you replace S with 1 plus 1j, we get 1 over 1 plus 2 is 3 plus j. We can now multiply this by its own conjugate, 3 minus j, 3 minus j, and this is equal to 3 over 3 squared minus j squared minus j times 1 over 3 squared minus j squared. And this is simply 3 over 10. And j squared is -1 times -1. That's plus 1 plus 9, 10 minus j 1 over 10. So this is equal to 3 over 10 minus j times 1 over 10. Now we can move to point C here. At point C, S equals to 1j. And now we do the same process. We'll replace S equals to 1j. We have 1 over 2 plus j multiplied by its conjugate 2 minus j will give 2 over 5 minus j times 1 over 5. 2 squared minus j squared, 4 plus 1, 5. So this gives 2 over 5 minus j times 1 over 5. Now we can move on to point D. At point D, we have S equals to -1 plus j. Replacing that in the transfer function, we'll get 1 over -1 plus 1 is 1 plus j. Multiply this by its own conjugate, 1 minus j, 1 minus j, 1/2 minus j times 1/2. So this gives 1/2 minus j times 1/2. And finally, we can go to point E. At point E, we have S equals to -1, and L of -1 is 1. -1 plus 1 plus 2 is 1. And now we can move these points to our new domain. Let's start with point A. At point A, we are at 1/3. So if we here, let's put 1 here, we should be 1/3 of the way around here. And this is point A. At point B, we are at 0.3 and -1 over 10 for the imaginary part. And you are at 0.3 on the real axis. So this is point B. Point C we have 0.4 should be around roughly here, and we have 0.25 for 0.2 for J, negative 0.2. Here we are. So this is negative 1.5, and on top here we have 0.4. So this is point C. Point D, 1/2 and negative 1/2, so halfway, and around here, this would be point D, negative 1/2 and 1/2. And point E is at 1. So the contour should be something like that. If this goes in, if this something like that, that you can now try to simply mirror. You can now try to mirror this contour. It should be something like this. And this is the equivalent contour of this contour when we use this transfer function to map it into the W plane.